Hey everyone, welcome back to Frontier Quest here. Today I wanted to get out just for a little afternoon jaunt. My work is slow and the weather got really nice here, so I thought I'd get out and do a little experimenting. I like to do little day treks and outings to experiment with new gear or what have you, and just try things out. That's becoming my favorite activity. One of the things I'm doing today is I'm carrying a glass bottle for water. I can't find a whole lot of documentation for civilians having canteens. I think they just use a lot of glass bottles. And this is by no means a period correct bottle, but it's similar to maybe what they would have called a saddle flask. And I just put some twine around it and kind of hold it. Just a very simple deal there. I'm also going to be experimenting with, I have various pieces of lead that I want to melt down and make into bars that you can just carry around. When you're out in the field, you can just melt them down and make some round balls. I made me a little wooden mold to try out and see if that'll work. Just some things like that. Brought some jerky and some nuts to chew on. I'm here by a nice area overlooking the river bottom. So anyway, hope you all enjoy this little video. Got some nice, really fine, dry grass here, dead grass. Always like to stop if I find something like that and add it to my tinder bundle. Seems like my tinder bundle goes really fast to use it, so good tip when you're out and about, take your stuff along and fill up your tinder bundle.